What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Outcast EXB 8S RTR. We go inside of the box. Give you a support card. It's an empty box here. This is a part box. Empty box. And a transmitter box. And this is what's left. Got the tires. They didn't put the tires on. This thing, I cut it open already. I had to look at it. I know the tires. Got the Copperhead 2 tire. Say Copperhead 2 tires. The dBoots, back flips, 8S. And what else? They give you the user instruction guide. Also give you stickers and batteries. So the only thing you need is your LiPo. All right, let's see what comes in this box. All right, this one box. Let's check out the parts box first. Got a box of tools. You got two lug wrenches, but the lug wrench I like is this one right here. It's a metal lug wrench for 8S tires. Got that good grip right there. Also, they got L wrenches, shock spacers, I don't know what this is for. They got a lot of different tools in here. And I think I see a speed pinion. 32 speed pinion. Now let's pull the plastic off the body. Yo, that thing look crazy. Wow. Hold up, let me pull it out the box, put the tires on, let y'all look at it. And here she go, out the box, all put together. Now we're going to take a look at the body. Well, we done took a look at the body. You got the tethers on here. I like the rig little decals they put on there. Makes the body pop a little more. Nice little touch. I'm going to add something to it too. And let's take a look underneath the hood. Let's take a slow-mo. Now they have a new smart Spektrum ESC FIRMA. It comes in gray instead of the orange. It's supposed to have more torque to it. This is 150 amp ESC. And then over here you have 11,000 Spektrum KV motor. And you have an upgraded servo. It says 70 times more faster than the original one. Now, from what I'm seeing is a surprise to me over here in the front. You've probably seen it on a pass by. If you notice, it doesn't have any sway bars. Yeah. And it don't have the front dust guard like the EXB had. But you have the EXB arms right here, the braces. Got the center brace right there. Then you got the rear and the front center brace, makes it more sturdier. Car is nice and beefy. Don't come with a plug for that. I guess you just gotta run 2 batteries. Got nice beefy shocks, aluminum shocks. Front and rear threaded shocks, so you can adjust them from here. Of course, you got shock spacers to take care of that problem too. Yeah, nice and beefy. Just sway bars would have been nice too. You got the back flip tires. Nice thick tires. These tires is good. They are great tires. I haven't started her up at all yet, but I don't have any 4S battery. I do, but they mismatch. But I'm gonna start up to hear how it sounds, see what's the difference. All right, got the transmitter on. Let's put it on 50%. I mean, it shouldn't go nowhere, but oh yeah, I forgot they got that on the ABC on here. They got an ABC on this. I really don't use ABC in my bashers, but I guess I'm gonna have to find out how to turn that off. I don't want no ABC in my bashing cars. But they got ABC, come with ABC, can't beat that. The whole electronic system is upgraded. It's just the car, it's just the EXB with upgraded electronics. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to do a running video, but I'm gonna pull out my other Outcast to do a comparison to see the difference between the two. They go to the bottom of the chassis. Don't just bash and blast. EXB Extreme Basher 7075 aluminum. Yeah, I never had a problem with this chassis on my Outcast EXB. You got the front skid plate and the rear one. Nice, thick, beefy EXB arms, front and rear. Front and rear. See, here go the inside of my previous Outcast EXB. They left the dust guards out. They left the sway bars out. Everything else is pretty much the same, except this is basically an upgraded ESC and motor and an upgraded servo. Other than that, they're the same. I got RPM arms on this one. Yeah, I'm surprised they didn't do that. They didn't add a dust guard, which I can transfer it over. Sway bars. Wow. Now the shocks. Here go the shocks to the EXB, the roller. See them? They're pretty thick too. And this is the RTR EXB. Turnbuckles on the old EXB is about the same. That one's old. That's one I broke and replaced. But see, that's the old EXB turnbuckles and the new EXB turnbuckles. The same. Everything is the same. Everything is the same. The only thing they really upgraded on this is the ESC and the motor and the servo, the electronics. They upgraded the electronics. As for little things like sway bars, dust guards that they put on the old EXB, they didn't put that on there, which I'm really shocked that they did that. but hey, because you know the EXB, you just did your own electronics. You know, you had to add your own electronics, so I can't say the EXB electronics wasn't as good, because it was up to you to pick out a nice little system. Which one you like better, Cat? Oh shoot, he going to the old EXB. Yeah, but still ain't nothing wrong there. I mean, my old Crichton needed a couple my old Outcast needed a few things to it. And like, I need a front shock. See that green shock right there? It's a RTR, but that's a traction shock. Lost one of my sway bar mounts going to the A-arm. And what else is on this car? Something's wonky with my front here. I believe something's broke. Didn't really look at it. That's alone. And my diff is going out on me. Here they go with the bodies on. The EXB RTR and a regular EXB roller. Now, what do y'all think about the new EXB? Is this worth getting? Or would you rather settle for the old school RTR EXB? Add your own electronics. Here they go with the bodies on. The EXB RTR and a regular EXB roller. Now, what do y'all think about the new EXB? Is this worth getting? Or would you rather settle for the old school RTR EXB? Add your own electronics. Because with my old Outcast, I had I had problems with it. I had a couple of brakes because it's so heavy. Bag jumps and flips and everything. And I wonder how it's going to be with this thing. Yeah, I'm not going to do a running build today. Do that tomorrow. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. And I'm out.